Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the next let me go to my project. I accidentally deleted it, so I'm gonna have to make it new project. Sheesh, I deleted that project. So I'm gonna be doing the next type of blocks, which is events. So wait a sec. Okay, so event blocks. So events and control blocks are very important because they are the controls of the main program. Like the some of the blocks here, you will not be using them like half of the time. Like this block, like that. You won't use this block half of the time. So this block is the most used block out of the events block. So let's just start right away. So when green flag, this is called the green flag. Okay. So what happens is when this thing is clicked, you can run some script. I am gonna set the color effect to 50 when I click the green. So I think you have learned my look. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. You can see if I run this, it's gonna change the color effect. Now if I press the green side, it's gonna clear all the graphic effects. So you know what happens in green. So when any key is pressed, you need to do something. When space key is pressed, I'm gonna change the X by 10. So let's try. So you can see that it goes forward by 10 in the x-axis like this. So yeah, we need to go back to 0. So wait, yeah. So that, but you can have other keys like up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, like any keys. Okay, like that. So when this sprite is clicked also there, so this script run when we click this sprite. And also I forgot to mention that these types of these 1 2 3 4 5 6 these 6 blocks are called hat blocks. You can see it's like a hat, like a hat. So they are called hat blocks. Yeah. So when this price is clicked, I'm gonna do something. Set size to no, change size by 10. And when the green flag is set size to 100. So let me click this. Wait, no. Press this. So now if you press this, it's gonna get bigger. You can see that, yeah. If you press the green flag, it says the size to 100%. So yeah, this block is literally gonna run when this stage sprite switches to a specified backdrop. So I'm just gonna show it for you guys. I'm gonna create 2 backdrops, which is this is gonna be the black, this is gonna be white. I will be teaching you how to use the editors later. I'm just gonna show you guys for testing purposes. With yeah, like that, and you can here with black. Oh. So when green flag, I'm gonna switch the backdrop to black. So now if I can click here, when the backdrop switches to black, switch backdrop to white. Yeah, you can see that it switches back. So when the green flag is clicked, it is black, but when now this sprite detects that when backdrop switches to black, we need to switch it back to white. So it detects that. Yeah. So let's see the next one. When just gonna delete these scripts, also these backgrounds, because they look kind of lame. Obviously, I am lame. Just kidding. Okay. Okay. When loudness or timer is greater than a certain number. So if you don't know what the loudness and the times, I'm gonna show you the volume. Oh, okay. The sensing category you have sensing category and you have loudness and timer blocks. Here it detects my voice and my loudness, so it increases. So you can see that it increases. It increases. Yeah. This is the timer. So this resets when I press the green flag. Okay. So when loudness is greater than 10, I'm gonna be moving this by 10. I'm gonna have to increase this because this mic is very sensitive. So let's see. Hello. Move. So you can see that it moves. So and also you can test the timer. Okay. No, you're gonna have to set it to 10 because still it reaches 10. You can see that it moves. So yeah, that's these blocks, and I also need to hide these things. Okay, so when I receive, so now these three blocks are. This is a block. This is the receive. So this is the broadcaster. It's gonna broadcast a message whenever something is called, and this is the receiver. So when I broadcast this message, the scripts, whatever scripts here is gonna run. So let me use something. When I receive message one, it's gonna go 0 0. So when I click this, it goes to 0 0. That means that this is gonna broadcast that message, and then this is gonna receive it, and then run this execute this part of the script. Now here is broadcast this and wait. Wait until basically saying that wait until this broadcast run, and then run the other parts. So if I press this, by 5, how do I demonstrate this? I mean, you get the point. So that's it actually. So thanks for watching this video. This video is quite long because these blocks are the most important blocks to learn. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.